Okay, this is how to create the template for the Pirates PvT project. When we create this, we need to create something that is 9 bars long. We need to have a time signature of 3/4 time, and we need to have a tempo of 80 beats per minute. So if we go into GarageBand first, we'll click on the plus at the top of the screen, and we want to go to Smart Piano. We'll press the red button at the end of the session to make it into a piano keyboard, and then the brick wall button to hide the piano. In the top right hand corner of the screen, tap on the plus, change section A to be 9 bars long, then tap in the middle of the screen. Tap the settings wheel and tap on tempo and change it to 80 beats per minute. You can do that by dragging your finger on it and then just tapping on the arrows to set it exactly. If we press settings to go back a screen, you can then change the time signature to 3/4 and tap in the middle of the screen, and your tempo is set up and you're ready to start.